We are back from winter break and it is
Friday.
That's right. And this new year is all about reading, starting in the month of
January.
Good. Good. We're going to read this sentence. Okay. Nice. It's sentence. Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
She wants to make a new game outside.
Nice. Good. Let me see this sentence.
Sometimes I prefer to experience dangerous adventures.
Nice.
And these are the vowel signals E-I-N-Y-K, G-to-J, and C-to-S.
But this is elementary school, so it's not all work and no play. As a matter of fact, at Saintsville, it's more like more work and more play.
Fight,
PR says grow.
grow,
Grow. Good.
say,
Good. Good. Every.
what, don't forget, no, ray, these,
Good. Good.
cantankerous,
Good.
torture,
Good.
adventure, beginning, challenge, dangerous, exciting.
Good. Wow.
People to the splash,
That's not an A. That's not an A.
splish, splash. This gives me power. Says Sam. Healthy food helps Sam grow tall.
Nice. Good. Keep going.
Practice healthy scrubs outside.
Nice. Good. Okay.